Well, what did you want to just leave us out here? What if my car got towed or something? How am I gonna get home?
Looking like a quarter lick. Run up on me, you get hit. And all my bitches with the shit. Don't you?
I can't even see my face. Alright. Let me put some earrings on and look like a lady. Yeah, I don't be feeling big hoops no more. I feel like I look plain. I feel like I look plain. I can't do this. Y'all, if y'all go to the old people, make sure y'all get I'm talking to my subscribers. You know what? My subscribers. Oh. I'm not crazy, I don't talk to myself. I'm not like you.
I don't talk to myself.
Yes you do.
You talk to
Hope my wig don't slap back. I like my clutch. It's a Bessie Johnson clutch. I got it from Marshalls for how much was it? For like $15. Y'all thought I was running late, but damn, look at the time. It's 1:03. I mean 3:01. It's 3:01 and she made her reservations for 3:30, which means I still got time to go shop. Dang, why am I doing this stuff like that? See you, Niche. See you, boy. See you, boy. He's to my father again. I don't know what the hell he doing down here. I'm gone. Shut up! Out to eat. Hey. Huh? What out to eat? You got company, so you're not lonely. You're not lonely, you got company. Alright. I hate when it's hot as fuck. Oh, let me roll on these windows. I can't. How the hell is so hot? Since when the hell we start getting heat like this? Like, it be cold every fucking day. I didn't know it was gonna be this damn hot. Shit. Well, damn. Let me make sure my music do not play because I'm not trying to get copyrighted by none of this ghetto music I be listening to. Okay. Alright, whatever. Ooh, they is about to have a party. The restaurant all the way out Virginia. And I want to hear some music. And look at my collar. Ever since I can remember, I was popping my collar. But I want to listen to some music, and it's not a long ride, but still it feels nice outside. And I want people to hear my music. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get to. If I get there early, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the store because a bitch is about to shop. But if I get there around like 3:30, then I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the restaurant. I'm gonna show y'all where we eat at. Cause the place is bomb. But damn. But see y'all when I get back. Y'all, so I'm back, right? Why I can't even get my damn words out. I'm so irritated. So we out Virginia, and if y'all know, Virginia never has fucking parking. So my dumb ass, I passed the restaurant because there wasn't no parking on that street. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna just go to the next street so I don't gotta walk that much and find parking. Why I ride past a whole damn parking spot, not knowing that I could park there before 7 p.m. I didn't even read the damn sign. I was just like, it got the little red no parking, so I can't park right there. Whole time I could have fucking parked right there. And look at my hair from the damn wind. But I'm like, whole time, why the hell is tangled up like that? I'm like, I could have parked right there. Like, what the hell was I doing? So the car behind me was trying to see if I was gonna park there, but instead of me just backing up my little car, he kept going. He was like, she must not want this damn parking spot. So now I gotta find somewhere to park, and hopefully I can find a good parking spot because I don't got time. I really don't have time. I hate Virginia. Like, they make the street so fucking bony to where you can't find no damn parking spot. And I feel like I'm gonna go this way. But what you think? I'm asking y'all what y'all think. Like, y'all could tell me where the hell to park at. But no, I'm gonna just go this. I'm gonna go back this way. Cause this is why I seen the parking at y'all. And the man stole my damn parking spot. It say no parking Monday through Saturday. This man stole my parking, y'all. And I wanna fight him. And look, he still parked there. He ain't even got out the fucking car. I'm about to make a U-turn. I ain't from Virginia, but guess what? We about to bring the illegal shit to Virginia because my ass is going to make a U-turn in the middle of this fucking street. But come on, car. I ain't got time for you. I'm just trying to find a nice parking spot. Is this one way? I think I can go down this way. I'm gonna go back down this way, past the restaurant again, and hopefully I can find parking because I am annoyed. Why the hell it ain't no parking out here? I'm just trying to find out if Virginia be having all these goddamn good ass restaurants, why the hell they can't have parking garages? Or why can't they, I don't know. They need some shit. But at this point, I'm the fuck annoyed. And I'm just hoping while I ride past, somebody come out they parking spot because I'm really trying to park in front of the damn restaurant. That was my whole purpose of getting here early, so I could park in front of the restaurant and I ain't gotta do too much walking. But yet, my ass gotta do some walking. You think I can fit right here? I feel like, no, I can't fit right there. Let me not even try. And y'all, the police is out. They're gonna confiscate my camera. Come on. I drove by myself. I'm tired. It's her birthday. I know you can't see. You can see me on this side. Oh, I'm tired. Let me take a season. She keeps staring me down. We at this place called Don Taco. What? It's good though. What's that? A mimosa. She got a mimosa. Good. Can I just have a lemonade? Lemonade. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Say hi. I'm tired. It's good. So, what I'm about to say? On my camera, oh, there they go right there. And look at him. Brycey. Y'all look at Brycey. Brycey. I don't know. Get off my drink.
Some water for you.
Yeah, have a
Hey.
someone you.
I'll call you. I guess my mother and John said that was it. I don't know. Bryce, what you looking at?
Oh, your mother coming. I thought she was coming to States.
The burritos is good, and this sauce good.
But this is my first time here. I'm just gonna die.
When I came in for the first time, I ate everything. Shut up.
Oh, they're right behind you.
Oh Jesus! I did not know they was behind. This is the first time you've been early somewhere.
Ooh, no more taste of me. That's like motive. That's like of it.
But y'all, I'm gonna be back when our food get here. So, see y'all. I forgot I was gonna show y'all my food, but I got a club, the servitor burrito.
Why you living in your mother?
But we about to eat and that's it.
Where the kids at?
Look at your mouth.
Yeah, it's down my damn news. It's in my news on the phone. Hey, let me out there, Eddie. You know I be tired staying. I'm like, Eddie, what out?
She go, you don't want none?
Yeah, but no. Malcolm. He ain't known to rotate.
Bryce, I don't know where you trying to go. Look at you all slobbering.
Does he had you?
Stop trying to get on the tech. Nobody
You got paprika on here?
That's why I said don't taste like that.
You don't like it.
I ain't like it either. That's why I get it. Booty, 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 fucking everywhere. Well, you know, it doesn't stay. It doesn't stay.
Bryce, hit the folks.
If they take, if we pay it back, it's only $8 and $9, didn't it?
Do it, Bryce.
You can pay with credit card.
Oh, you been there? Oh, never mind. I said that y'all pay with credit card. Y'all pay?
Yeah, you just pay with cash.
Huh?
Fix his head.
She looking at you. She sitting about.
Huh?
You had 12 tacos?
How many am I?
I told him $49. I told him Oh, it's 50? Oh, yeah, they did it right. It was 60.
Hi, y'all. See y'all stay the week.
Oh, look at his face.
You got told him like, oh, like,
What time is it?
10. 10.
5:10? Y'all let me get in here. Y'all let me get in here. Oh, my bad. I ain't come up these steps. I went the whole long way. Ooh, my legs hurt.
You better hold on if you think you're going to
I know. That would have been the kill.
What kind of shoes she wearing?
Probably some heels. To Ross.
How are you doing?
We going to Ross.
I'm going to Ross to be nosy.
Stupid don't know where she parked at. Come on, dummy. You're stupid. She got us walking, and she don't even know where she parked at. How that work? Her and this car needs a tracker. And look, just look at her.
I don't know where I parked.
Dummy. So, we just been walking the streets of Virginia.
Good exercise. And let me call mommy and ask her. And
Now she's about to call my mother to ask her if she's seen her car.
my real daughter is really sad. And I don't know if they told here because my time was up at 5:16. And I keep pressing the panic button, but my key thing don't work either. I really don't know what my car is.
So we just been walking and walking and walking. She had me get my bag and follow her, and she don't even know where her car is.
My car. Huh? What is we gonna be? I parked on the side of the street or the restaurant, but my car's not right there. No, I parked by the parking meter and I paid. And my car is. I'm on the same street as the restaurant, but I parked on the side because when I got out the car, I walked down and then I crossed the street a little bit and then I walked over and the restaurant was in the street. Now I don't know where my car is.
Stupidity. Stupidity.
Well, what did you want to just leave us out here? What if my car got towed or something? How am I going to get home? Yeah, I paid to leave it in my pocket, but it's not. I don't see my car. No, Ma, I didn't pocket for no fire hydrant. And I'm trying to press the panic button, but my set of keys don't work unless I'm close to my car. I said I'm trying to press the panic button, but my keys don't work. Oh, I know where I parked at. I parked on the other side of the street.
So we basically,
Mom parked on the other side of the street.
and mommy right there, we basically just walked in a whole circle for nothing.
Oh, you right here. I parked on the other side of the street, Mom. Let me go and get this. No, I'm right here. No. Y'all, false alarm. I found my car.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's right here. Don't see it? We could have been in the car. Let me see my camera. Yeah. So first of all, I'm a Washingtonian, okay? So first of all, y'all, I lost my car and then I found it. But the crazy part is I can't even get mad because I started jaywalking on Virginia streets. But I can't even get mad because first of all, I do this every time. Like, I swear, everywhere I go, I lose my damn car. Like, I could be at school park in the school parking garage, and I will dead ass lose my car, and then it'll be on like another floor or the next level or something. But y'all, we really walked for like 10 minutes. That was a nice walk, right? That was exercise. No. We walked for like 10 minutes looking for my car. Whole time I parked on the opposite side. I need to get it together. Every time I get out the car, I'm gonna take a picture and save it so I can know where I parked at. Cause this shit is crazy. But right now, where I'm about to go, I'll probably go to my cousin's house, or I don't know, but I'm gonna see y'all wherever I go. On a snappity snap shit.